Hey, it's Heidi from A Lively Hope, back with our next watercolor project. Today we're doing geometric shapes. I've got all of my watercolor supplies. They're all listed down below for you. Today we're going to use a flat brush if you've got one. You don't have to. If all you have are round brushes, this will still absolutely work. But today we are going to do some geometric shapes. And the way I tell my classes how to tell the difference between a geometric shape and an organic shape is that geometric shapes generally have a name, like this square, or a rectangle, or a triangle, or a circle. It's a definite shape. It has a certain number of sides. We'll talk more about organic shapes in our video tomorrow, but today we're just practicing making geometric shapes. So my page is going to be full of rectangles, circles, squares, triangles. You could do pentagons, octagons, trapezoids, all these specific shapes that have a specific name. That's what we're working on today. So I'm using my paintbrush to outline the shape. And then I go back in and fill in the color. That helps me to have a nice, definite outline for the shape. And now I will speed up the video and let you watch me fill in this whole page. You could practice blending in these shapes. You could practice, making it a little more wet and then dotting some color in. I am keeping space in between the shapes that I make so they don't blend colors unintentionally. But if you want to play around with blending, that's a lot of the fun of watercolor. So I wouldn't blame you one bit if that's what you wanted to do today. So once I'm done, then it's your turn. So fill up your page with geometric shapes. Can't wait to see what you make. Happy painting.